Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO Tonal Fits wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or they're not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. And if you do decide they're irretrievably broken and you want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a great price on a 5-star rated set of earbuds. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can get a fresh start like you're setting these things up new. We can go ahead and do this, and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is you're just going to go ahead and put the earbuds in the case, delete them off of whatever devices that you've had them on paired with before, and then you can go ahead and take them out of the charging case. And when you take them out of the charging case, the white indicator lights on the earbuds will start to blink slowly, indicating that they're in pairing mode. And we're just going to simultaneously on the back touch button of both things, we're just going to double tap both of them simultaneously like this, tap, tap. And if this works, then that white blinking slow light will go from blinking slowly to blinking swiftly, quickly for about 3 seconds, and then go back to blinking slowly again. So basically what happens, it'll reset, and then it'll go back to pairing mode in its totally reset state. And at that point you can just go ahead and set them up like you've just taken them out of the box and you're setting them up for the first time.